Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hi guys, today we're going to open up this box where you actually get to make your own treasure box. So let's open it up. I'm going to start from here. Whoa, that was easy, guys. Let's get that out of the way. Take out the paper, and then we'll need to take out the box. Here it is out of the box. Let's see what we get inside here. Oh, it looks like a paintbrush, some jewels, glitter glue, some paint with the box. Wow, this paintbrush came out already. Here's our paintbrush right here. It was missing another paintbrush, but it's okay. I love pink. Here is our pink paintbrush. And we need to get out our box somehow. Okay, we have the lid out. I love the details on it. I love that you could put things inside it because it could get all pot. And I just love the details. Look at this is the back, this is the front. So let's start decorating. We need to get out our little paint. Here's our paint. We have 4 colors: pink, white, blue, and purple. These are my favorite colors. So let's put them here. Still have a bit more here. We have some glitter glue. We have some white glitter glue. Let me just open the package. Here's our white glitter glue. I mean, like white, and that's white glitter glue. This one is. We'll just try to get this out. Silver. Let's put this back on together. And we also have the jewels. Here are the jewels. We have like aqua color purple, a purple heart, flowers, and they're all purple. This is pink heart and a hot pink heart. Here we have a dark heart flower, and here's a light flower. And here is a dark pink. Here's a dark pink heart. Here's like a little hot pink. Actually, just pink. So let's see if we can put this together.